Milarepa was born in the 11th century in Tibet. In his childhood, after his father's death, he was deprived of his inheritance and mistreated by his uncles and aunts. Driven by anger, he acquired knowledge of dark magic and caused the demise of several adversaries. However, tormented by remorse, he sought purification. Subsequently, he encountered Marpa the translator, a master both strict and compassionate, who subjected him to various trials before imparting the teachings of Tantric Buddhism. Milarepa then withdrew to the mountains, residing in caves, and devoted himself to meditation in solitude and poverty. Milarepa returns to his native village. He discovers that his mother has long since passed away, her body reduced to a skeleton, and the family home lies in ruins, overtaken by weeds and brambles. This moment constitutes a decisive turning point in Milarepa's life. The pain and remorse weigh heavily upon him, prompting a sincere search for the spiritual path. Demons, you are manifestations of my own mind. If you wish to remain, please do so. If you wish to depart, you are free to leave. After many years devoted to ascetic practice, he attained enlightenment and became a revered spiritual master, renowned for his songs of realization, the 100,000 Songs of Milarepa, in which he imparts teachings of wisdom and compassion. I am just a man, a yogi of Tibet. I am Milarepa. I've studied little but have many key instructions. Though I'm humble, I have great perseverance. I sleep little and have great endurance in meditation. I'm an expert in all by knowing one thing, and I understand everything to be one. I am an expert in genuine reality. On my small seat, stretching my legs is pleasant. With thin clothes, my body is perfectly warm. With small bits of sampa, my stomach is full. My example is that which all meditators aspire to. I'm a gathering place for those with faith. I'm an object of reliance for those fearful of birth and death. I go in no fixed direction, and I stay in no one particular place. For conduct, I go without reference points. I have no attachment to material things, and no notion of clean or dirty food. For me, the pain of the afflictions is small. I have little self-regard and few desires. I've little attachment to perceiver and perceived, and I've loosened the knots of the state of nirvana. I'm a friend of the elderly, a shoulder to lean on, and a playmate for young children. I'm a yogi who roams the country far and wide. May you devas and humans be healthy and happy.